This excellent 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 has only 10,064 miles. This two-door truck has fine seats, and is equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth-shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of 4-wheel drive. Its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. The safety features on this vehicle include an anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger front multi-stage deploying airbags. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.